Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and Monday is Motivational Monday on my channel. I've decided very last minute to switch up my video. I'm going to be talking about something different. I was going to be cleaning out the cupboard above me, which is mugs and all the medication. It's got really messy and I've been meaning to do the job for quite some time. But actually, I've just taken a shower and I've changed my mind. I'm going to do that video next week. I wanted to talk to you this week all about self-care. I've had a change of heart and that's what this month's theme is all about. The Lollipop Box Club theme this month is Time to Bloom, and it's all about your time to bloom, your time to shine, focusing this month on you, and everyone just being a bit more aware of self-care and how much we do need to spend time on ourselves as well to be a better person, to feel a better person, and just to make life just that bit easier. We're always focusing, and I'm the worst one, on lists and achieving and getting things done, and yes, that feels great. But at the same time, we also need to slow down. And that was last week's video, actually, when I was just talking about how I was struggling a little bit. I was being affected by anxiety and just really stressed out. And I've kind of really been focusing this week and stripping things back and just having a rethink. And seeing as that's what this month's theme is all about, I thought it was the perfect time to maybe have a little chat about that. Are you one for taking time out for yourself? Are you really good at that? Because I am not. Just spoken to my husband and told him what this week's video is going to be about, and he called me a fraud. Yes, I'm very good at preaching and telling everyone you need to take time out for yourself. It's really important. I'm the worst one. I do not practice that myself. I really try. I go through patterns, and sometimes I'm really good and I write it into my planner, and I really then try and take that time out. And I've lost that that way, and I need to get back into it. So I really want to try. This weekend has been a great example. I was stressed out all day yesterday on Saturday. I just felt like I couldn't relax. I needed to achieve something. I just needed to tick something off a list, and yep, housework was done and all that kind of thing. And then I kind of got thrown. We got up and went for a walk in the morning, and we're constantly clock watching on a Saturday because I have to pick our daughter up from the station at 10 o'clock in the morning from uni. She comes home to work. And then I'm rushing. We had a really quick coffee, just clock watching all the time. We cut our walk short so we could get time to actually have a coffee together before I went to pick her up. And I park in the Lidl car park because I go and do a Lidl shop while she then gets the train in and she walks and meets me. And as I parked, I got a phone call to say that she'd just woken up. She had this really sleepy voice and she had literally just woken up. And so I did the shop, and then I misunderstood the train times, and I got back to the car and I thought she was due in half an hour, and I realised then she wasn't, and I had 45 minutes. So I ended up driving home and then coming back, dropping off all the shopping to go straight back out and pick her up again. And by the time we got home, it was 11:30, and it was just like I'd lost my whole morning. And then I just felt stressed for the rest of the day, and I just kept feeling like I needed to achieve something rather than just relaxing. I really struggle to relax. So I don't know if anybody else can identify with that. Let me know if that sounds familiar. So I've just noticed I've got a dishcloth next to me. Sorry, I'm in the middle of making a coffee. So today I got up, we had an early morning walk. We had a really nice walk actually, and we've got lots of common land near us, and we found woodland that we'd never walked through before, and we didn't know where we were. It was really nice. And then before my husband took our son to work, I made us breakfast, and I never have breakfast. If I have a coffee, I'm generally working or making lists, planning, that kind of thing. And actually I've just slowed down today, and I made these banana pancakes, and I want to tell you about those because they were amazing. I don't need to show you how to make them because they're that easy. I saw it on an Instagram post yesterday. You literally mash up a banana, mix in an egg, mix it up, sorry. I added a little bit of coconut oil to a pan. They're called banana pancakes, but I've renamed them banana scramble. And then just lightly fry it. You can't flick it like a pancake. It does become a bit more of, you have to do it in stages. and I popped it on a plate with some strawberries, blueberries and a little bit of Nutella, and it is amazing. I really recommend, if you like bananas, giving it a go. I used the really overripe ones, so they're really sweet and soft, but it was so good. And we sat in the garden with our breakfast, and then when I've just taken a shower, it's just made me rethink today, and I was going to be decluttering my cupboard, I need to edit the video, I was going to work and get stuff ready for the week, and I've just thought, no, I'm just going to slow down today, and I'm just making a coffee now, and we're going to do some trip planning. We're off to the States on a road trip, and we haven't actually planned out our trip yet, and I was going to rush it just to get it done because it needs doing, and actually I'm going to stop and I'm going to really enjoy it. We're going to have a coffee, I might make some lunch in a little while, and I'm just going to really enjoy the day, and I don't have to keep achieving and working and doing things. I can take a day off for myself sometimes, and I need to remember that. So I just kind of wanted to pass that on to you as well, just to see if it kind of hits a nerve with you, if it's something that you think, yeah, I can really identify with that. And then tonight I'm going to keep dinner super easy. I'd already planned anyway, fish tacos, grilling the fish with some kind of like herbs and spices. And then I'm doing a topping station. Everyone can just sort their own tacos out themselves. I've got shop bought salsa. I'm going to throw together a salad. There's coriander. I don't know, just bits and pieces from the fridge. I might just do up some, I've got some broccoli, little broccoli spears that need eating, just bits and pieces like that. And everyone can help themselves. I'm defrosting some vegan pulled pork for our vegan daughter that I'd bought yellow stickered for 10p that I'd froze. I bought about 5 batches of them, so that's nice and easy as well. And then usually what happens on a Sunday, we drive Holly back to uni, and then I come back and work. But actually tonight, although I need to edit this video, I am actually going to have a spa night with my husband. We're going to get the foot spa out, and we're going to do each other's feet. So it's going to be a bit more of a relaxing day, and I need to do more of that. And it's not just stopping there. I'm going to be focusing on that next week. I've made coffee plans with a friend. I'm going to take a couple of hours out in the week to go and meet with a friend for a coffee that I haven't done for ages. We've made plans to go out and grab dinner at the pub Friday night with friends. And I need to find a book. I need to get back into bedtime reading, because I find that, even if it's just 20 minutes, really relaxes me. I'm not sleeping well at the moment. I'm having a lot of bad dreams that wake me up, and I feel rubbish in the morning, and I need to relax. And I think no screen time at bedtime. I'm really bad. I love Instagram. I find it really relaxing just flicking through, but I need to actually switch down from the screens. So I need to find a book to read and just find more ways of relaxing. What do you find is your best way to relax? Let me know how you do it. I do love walking, and we do quite often go for walks in the evening. I do love our family meal times, but they're not relaxing. They're always stressful because of picky eaters. And my husband doesn't have the best patience with picky eaters, so the meal times aren't always enjoyable in our house. But I do love the cooking. I love to bake, but I'm trying not to eat all that kind of thing at the moment because I want to lose some weight before we go on holiday. But I love crafting as well. And actually that reminds me, I'm teaming up with Kerry from Kerry May Makes this week, and she's hosting a challenge on the Lollipop Chat Group, or within the Lollipop Chat Group. There's going to be a blog post, so there will be when this video's gone up, or there should be. And it's all about the things that make us happy in life. So that is actually perfect with this video, and I will be creating a page. So if you like crafting, there'll be a little bit of an added crafty bonus at the end of this video, just a quick video while I make the page, because I think that would be a really fun one to put in my traveler's notebook and just journal about little things that make me happy. And actually I might document our walk today and the pancakes that I made, because I think it just made me realize when we just sat outside in the garden, it was only for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I really enjoyed it, and it's something we never ever do. So it's been a bit of an eye-opener for me today, but I'm going to really focus, still keep my lists going, because they really do help me. And obviously we all need to cook, we all need to clean houses and get things done, but it's also taking time for yourself. So I really hope that you've enjoyed me rambling on a bit today. I hope you have kind of connected, and you kind of understand how I feel, what I'm talking about. Let me know if you do, and let me know how you manage to make time for yourself in your busy schedule. Any tips would be highly appreciated, and I would also love to know how you take your time out. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope that you've enjoyed this. Please do share this video if you think somebody else would enjoy this as well, maybe with a friend or family member. And please like this video if you've enjoyed it. And don't forget, there's going to be a little crafty bit for you at the end. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye. So I've added some watercolour paper to my page as a background, and a little bit of the paper from the new June kit. I will link up the kit below. I've got the washi tape from the kit as well, and I'm just going to run that alongside the page on both sides. And I've decided to add this paper from the kit as well, and I'll be able to, because of the lines, I'm going to end up journaling on that. I'm just going to add my photos. And I've got a scrap piece of watercolour paper here, and I'm just going to roughly paint some of my own leaves. So I'm just going to random shapes. Let's have some different greens in there as well. So they're not really resembling leaves at the moment. And the idea is once they're dry, I'm then going to cut them out. Let's do another one there. So just random green shapes, and I'll be using those once they're dry. I'm going to cut out this little card here from the embellishment postcard. Live life in full bloom, and there's a little reminder for me there. I've actually decided the space here I'm going to use as my journaling lines. I'm just using a black pen and a ruler. And then I'm going to cut out the leaves once they're dry and layer them across the edge. I forgot to add that some of the papers in this month's kit are actually hand painted by me, as you see here. And there's my space that I've used for my journaling. If you wanted to have a read, you can just pause it here. Just adding some of the die cuts here from the kit, and I'm going to see if my leaves are dry. Got my watercolour paper here, and what I'm going to do around the leaves, around the green bits, I'm just going to draw some rough leaves. The idea being that not all the leaves are then coloured in, so you just get a little bit like that, so they're just really rough. There, you can just see there what I've done, and now I'm going to cut them out. Here's my finished leaves. They look really cool, don't they? I'm really pleased with them. Just some simple strokes with a bit of paint. And I've lined all the leaves up there. I haven't stuck them completely on. There's just a bit of tape in the centre of each one so that they flick up a little bit, which I really like. And I'm just going to finish it off by using some of the stickers from the kit. There we go. I'm so happy with this page. I have used so many of the stickers. If, like me, you need more than one sheet of stickers, because I certainly will, I will be selling extra of those with this month's add-ons. I just need to get all the add-ons added this week, so I will leave a comment in the group when they are up. But that's my page. I did change here. Today is all about me. Cross through me and put us, as that's what today is all about. And I'm really, really pleased with this. I've added a few little stickers as well within the leaves. And I'm really pleased with how this page has come along. I really hope you've enjoyed this little bonus crafty bit. Let me know if you like this addition to the video. And I'll try and concentrate on adding more if you do. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Bye.